A 120/240 volts 4-wire 3-phase service is a distribution system commonly used for industrial and commercial applications. It provides 3 alternating current phases with a voltage difference of 120 volts between each phase and a voltage difference of 240 volts between any 2 phases. Yes, you can use 3-pole breakers for this type of service. A 3-pole breaker is a single unit that contains 3 individual circuit breakers, each controlling 1 phase. When the breaker is tripped, all 3 phases are disconnected simultaneously. The 3 phases are designated as line 1, line 2, and line 3. Each phase has its own dedicated conductor and is connected to a different winding on the transformer. The neutral conductor is shared among the 3 phases and provides a path for current to return to the source. 3-phase loads such as motors and some lighting systems are typically connected to the 3 phases and the neutral conductor. The phases are connected in a way that creates a balanced load, meaning that the current and power draw is evenly distributed across all 3 phases. By doing so, the system operates efficiently and minimizes voltage imbalances. The main breaker is a single-pole breaker that protects the entire service. Each phase breaker protects its respective phase. The neutral breaker protects the neutral conductor. Let's delve into the intricacies of a 120/240 volts 4-wire 3-phase electrical service. This type of service is a common backbone for power distribution in industrial and commercial settings due to its efficiency and ability to handle significant electrical loads. At its core, a 3-phase system delivers 3 alternating current phases. These phases are not in sync. Instead, they are offset from each other by 120 electrical degrees. This phase difference is crucial for providing a more consistent and efficient power supply compared to single-phase systems. The voltage levels in this system are key. You'll find a voltage difference of 120 volts between each phase and the neutral conductor. This voltage is commonly used for standard lighting and receptacle circuits, similar to what you find in residential settings. However, between any 2 phases, you'll measure a voltage difference of 240 volts. This higher voltage is suitable for powering larger equipment and machinery that require more power. Now let's discuss the use of 3-pole breakers in this system. The answer is definitively yes. 3-pole breakers are not only compatible but also essential for protecting 3-phase loads. A 3-pole breaker is essentially 3 individual circuit breakers housed within a single unit. Each of these breakers is responsible for monitoring the current flow in one of the 3 phases. The crucial advantage of a 3-pole breaker is its ability to provide simultaneous disconnection of all 3 phases. If an overcurrent or fault condition occurs in any one of the phases, the entire breaker trips, cutting off power to all 3 lines at once. This is vital for protecting 3-phase equipment from damage that could result from unbalanced voltage or current conditions. To understand how this 3-phase service operates, let's break down the components and their functions. Firstly, you have the 3 phases themselves, typically designated as line 1, line 2, and line 3. Each of these lines carries an alternating current that is offset from the other 2. Secondly, there is the neutral conductor. This conductor serves as the return path for current in the system, allowing for both 120 volts and 240 volts loads to be served. The neutral is typically grounded, providing a reference point for the electrical potential. The phases and the neutral are connected to the transformer. The transformer is a critical component that steps down the higher voltage from the utility company's distribution network to the usable 120/240 volts level. Inside the transformer, each phase is connected to a separate winding. These windings are carefully designed to provide the correct voltage and phase relationship for the 3-phase system. Connecting 3-phase loads to this service requires careful consideration to ensure balanced operation. 3-phase loads, such as large motors, HVAC systems, and specialized lighting, are designed to be connected to all 3 phases simultaneously. The connection is typically arranged in either a Y or delta configuration, depending on the specific requirements of the load. The key principle in connecting 3-phase loads is to create a balanced load. This means that the current draw on each of the three phases should be as equal as possible. A balanced load ensures that the system operates efficiently, minimizing voltage imbalances and reducing the risk of overheating or damage to equipment. Voltage imbalance can occur when one or more phases are heavily loaded while others are not. This can lead to reduced efficiency, increased motor heating, and potential damage to sensitive electronic equipment. Therefore, it's crucial to distribute loads evenly across the three phases during the design and installation of the electrical system. In a typical three-phase service, you'll find several protective devices to ensure safety and prevent damage to the system. The main breaker is a large circuit breaker that protects the entire service from overcurrent conditions. This breaker is typically a single-pole or three-pole breaker, depending on the specific design of the service. Each phase is also protected by its own dedicated circuit breaker. These breakers are typically single-pole breakers for 120-volt circuits and three-pole breakers for 240 volts three-phase circuit. These breakers are designed to trip and disconnect the circuit if an overcurrent or short circuit occurs. The neutral conductor may also be protected by a circuit breaker in some installations, although this is not always required. The purpose of the neutral breaker is to protect the neutral conductor from excessive current, which can occur under certain fault conditions. Now, let's consider a simplified example circuit to illustrate the concepts we've discussed. Imagine a three-phase service supplying power to a small industrial facility. The service entrance consists of a main breaker, followed by individual circuit breakers for each phase and the neutral conductor. From there, the phases are distributed to various loads throughout the facility. Some loads, such as lighting and receptacles, are connected to single-phase 120-volt circuits. These circuits are connected to one phase and the neutral conductor. Other loads, such as a large motor driving a pump, are connected to all three phases through a three-pole breaker. This ensures that the motor receives balanced power and is protected from overcurrent conditions. The neutral conductor is connected to the motor to provide a return path for any unbalanced current. Throughout the facility, loads are carefully distributed across the three phases to maintain a balanced load. This helps to ensure efficient operation and prevent voltage imbalances. Firstly, the selection of appropriately rated three-pole breakers is paramount for safeguarding three-phase loads. The breaker's amperage rating must align with the load's full load current to prevent nuisance tripping while providing adequate overload protection. Secondly, proper wiring practices are essential for a reliable and safe three-phase system. Conductors must be sized according to the ampacity requirements outlined in the National Electrical Code, ensuring they can handle the anticipated current without overheating. Thirdly, grounding and bonding are critical for safety. The neutral conductor should be properly grounded at the service entrance, and all metallic enclosures and equipment should be bonded to create a low impedance path for fault current, minimizing the risk of electric shock. Fourthly, regular maintenance and inspection are vital for identifying potential problems before they escalate. This includes checking for loose connections, damaged insulation, and signs of overheating. Fifthly, using appropriate overcurrent protection is necessary for the phase and neutral conductors. This overcurrent protection must be designed to handle the specific type of loads. Sixthly, three-phase power is characterized by three alternating current waveforms that are offset by 120 electrical degrees, providing a more consistent and efficient power supply compared to single-phase systems. Seventhly, the voltage between any two phases in a 120/240 volts three-phase system is 240 volts, while the voltage between each phase and neutral is 120 volts. Eighthly, three-phase loads, like motors and HVAC systems, are designed to operate on all three phases simultaneously for optimal performance and efficiency. Ninthly, balancing the load across the three phases is crucial to prevent voltage imbalances, which can lead to reduced efficiency, increased motor heating, and potential equipment damage. Tenthly, grounding the neutral conductor at the service entrance provides a reference point for the electrical potential and helps to ensure safety by creating a low impedance path for fault current. In summary, a 120/240 volts 4-wire Three-phase service is a versatile and efficient power distribution system for industrial and commercial applications. By understanding the principles of operation, connection of three-phase loads, and the importance of balanced loading, you can ensure a safe and reliable electrical system. Three-pole breakers are integral components of this system, providing essential protection for three-phase equipment.